Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the only way Jordan 3 for splits, yellow midsoles, and fragile leather. Remove laces and stuff shoes with paper to hold shape. This prevents warping while you work. Once done, tape edges and mask the elephant print. Make sure adhesive doesn't touch paint zones. Deglaze scuffed leather with acetone on a microfiber. You want the surface to accept primer. This first stage sets adhesion and prevents peeling later, so take your time and check every panel before moving on. Now you clean deeply. Scrub with detergent and a soft brush, rinse and let dry thoroughly. Once dry, sand problem areas progressively from 400 to 2000 grit to feather edges. This creates a paintable profile without damaging leather grain. Apply a thin leather primer to improve bonding. Let it set per instructions. Paint using thin, even coats, 2 to 3 layers, building opacity slowly. This prevents cracking. Between coats, gently heat with a hairdryer on low to speed curing, and check for texture uniformity. For final protection, apply 2 thin coats of a compatible matte or satin finisher. This locks paint and resists scuffs. Let the shoes cure undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours before flexing or wearing. Reassemble laces and check sole adhesion. If any glue lines appear, clean and reglue with sneaker adhesive and clamp until set. If paint lifts later, remove loose flakes, scuff lightly, reapply primer and paint in thin layers, and always finish with sealer to restore durability and appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.